Hi, everybody. You know, maybe you heard about this recently. The number of whooping cough cases across the country had hit a 50-year high over the summer. Cases here in Iowa were up 500%. Joining us today to help stop the spread of this illness is Dr. Amchem Howie with Iowa Health Des Moines. Thanks for being here, Doctor. Sure. What is whooping cough?
Whooping cough is an infection caused by bacteria through aerosolization, so coughing, as the name implies. Easily transmitted to a lot of individuals. The young kids are the ones especially at risk for this, transmitted by adults and adolescents.
Before we talk about the symptoms, let's take a look and a listen to the symptoms. Okay, so tell us more about the symptoms of this.
Yeah, so that characteristic cough during inhalation, when you're inhaling, oftentimes is very characteristic of whooping cough. You see it as a prolonged, intense cough. Unfortunately, the kids that are most greatest risk are those newborns or those young infants unimmunized adequately. So sometimes they'll turn blue, their face will be blue, they can become apneic or stop breathing in the absence of even a cough.
Well, it begs the question, something is bad and seems to be becoming more and more common as we saw this summer. Is it preventable?
Yeah, it is. There's a couple of steps that you can take. First and foremost is adequate immunization. So make sure that your young kids are getting through their immunization series through their physician's office. Secondly, you want to make sure that as an adolescent and even as a young adult that you're getting boosted. Age 11 is usually when we booster for tetanus, and that shot includes protection for pertussis. So you want to make sure that you stay up to date on those immunizations. That's very, very important.
All right, Doctor, thank you very much. As always, you can check with kcci.com, our free website, for more information, or download the new improved free mobile apps at the Apple Store or Google Play.